Jane, thank you. It's been cold, hasn't it, this week? It's going to get colder still from Sunday onwards. Why? A renewed surge of Arctic air blasting down from the north and stronger winds, a greater risk of snow, disruptive snow. I'll come back to that. It's been cold enough anyway. We've already seen these frosty scenes, as you can see here in Aberdeenshire. But generally speaking, it hasn't been quite so cold for many this morning because we're stuck under some stubborn cloud. It's trapped under this area of high pressure. But once this weather front to the north goes through, that will clear it all away. So it's still cold out there, despite temperatures still being 5 or 6 degrees because of all the cloud. There are a few holes, though, for Scotland where we've got a little bit of stubborn fog as well. A few drizzly bits as well coming in through Lincolnshire and East Anglia, so lower cloud, really quite overcast. But dry and cloudy sums it up for many parts through the rest of the day. But temperatures are lifting as the wind strengthens further north ahead of our weather front, actually. So as we go through this evening and overnight, that weather front will bring some rain southwards, which will weaken, as you can see, pushes its way southwards. So we will see some frost, but because of all the cloud mulling around under our area of high pressure with our weather front, the frost won't be quite severe and it won't be as widespread, but it's still going to be chilly and there'll be some patchy frost by the time we get towards morning, and fog as well, perhaps in the south. But then brighter skies follow, and a strong wind and a scattering of showers to the north. Like today, further south, yes, perhaps a bit of patchy rain on our weakening weather front, but just a lot of dry and rather cloudy, fairly cold weather. Not as cold as it's going to be, though. By the time we get to Sunday, we're opening up the doors to that Arctic blast, a stronger wind, and the showers will turn to snow and could start to build up. And you can see from the temperature profile here, it is a colder day for many. Even further south, I think we'll feel the effect of that wind. So already there are warnings in force for snow for Northern Ireland and Scotland, primarily Sunday and Monday. These are the areas most likely to see snow, but we're not saying they will be the only areas, because as notoriously difficult snow showers they are to forecast, there's this little runner potentially. We'll have to firm up on details for Northern Ireland, parts of Scotland and Northern England by the time we get to Tuesday, Wednesday. And there's even a chance of some disruptive snow potentially midweek further south, as well as those snow showers continuing to come down thick and fast for the north. So these are the areas, the shaded areas, the most likely areas to see that disruptive, impactful snowfall. But we are certain it's going to get colder next week with stronger winds, so feeling bitterly cold with severe nighttime frosts. Jane.
All right, Helen, thank you.